Hey parents, this is James with Coder Kids. You can see it on my shirt. We are super excited to do a brand new semester at Berean Christian Academy right here, obviously, Weston Baptist Church. And there's so much this semester that you are gonna be so excited to hear. So number one, we have brand new curriculum. We've been refining it over the course of the length of our company, right? So for 4 years now, we've been perfecting our content, perfecting our curriculum. The teachers who teach and write curriculum know this. You get better over time, and the projects are super great this semester. They're focused on the space theme, so you can do aliens and planets and astronauts and rocket ships and all sorts of cool stuff. Gravity dynamics, all sorts of stuff. Each project is split into 4 different levels, so any kid can participate at any level, 2nd grade through 7th grade. All right, there's stuff to learn there. Coder Kids is not only fun, obviously it's an after-school camp. It's gonna be fun. We love making our own video games, our own stories. That's exactly what we do. But in addition to that, what we also do is we learn coding concepts. So your Coder Kids instructor would teach you not only how to make your own video game and story, but why that's significant, how to talk to the computer, right? How to learn different coding concepts. So we're super excited for that. We're excited for this new semester. And then how do you sign up, right? You're like, James, I want to spend my money, but I don't know how to do it. And you say, ask no further. So you just go to coderkids.com, you sign up. It's super simple, coderkids.com, coderkids.com, and you type in Berean in the search, or Berean, however you pronounce it. A lot of respect, I have no idea how to pronounce that. We've been here for a while now. And it'll pop right up. It'll be the only selection there. So, and there is a sibling discount. So obviously, we want to hook you up with discounts when you can. And we're trying to get a class minimum right now. And if we pass that, then great. Also, your homeschool friends in the area are able to take the class as well. If you can get the word out to them, that would be super great. If you have any extra questions, I still have a lot of energy, even late at night, early in the morning. I love to send emails back and forth, almost as much as I love to talk to people in person. But my email address is so easy. It's James, James, at coderkids.com. James at coderkids.com. So easy. Send me an email if you have any kind of question, and I'm so happy to answer it. And yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. Making our own video games, making our own stories. It is going to be an absolute blast. All right, see you guys.